rituals. I have to tell you that I was super nervous.
Oh.
I was super nervous. So my whole thing with her was like, "Are we okay? Are we okay?" Yeah, that was my ritual, and it was not fun. Let me tell you that it was really not fun. I mean, we were fine after we got on set, but before that, it was like, "Are you going to be okay? Are you going to be okay?" I was a little like completely nervous about what was going to happen and all that. So yeah.
No, I mean, we do have a ritual. We put on our rollers and then we go and bang heads together about who gets to ask the worst questions to the most boring guest. And we divide it up like that. So,
Thank you. Thank you. लेकिन boring guest तो नहीं दिखे यार आपके trailer में. I mean, let me tell you that
We've
this
made them look good.
You. I love it. I love it. So question on the guests. Most favorite or easiest guest on the show? Total pleasure to talk to. Just was the entertainment you all needed on the show? If you had to pick.
You take this question. I think our most favorite two guests on the show would have to be Salman and Amir. I think they are, no, actually, to be very honest, my favorite guest on the show was Govinda.
Woo!
I have to say that he was so super entertaining. He was so super entertaining. And I mean, not to say that everybody was not nice and whatever, but Govinda's Govinda. Let's just like hands down, like nobody can argue with that. He's a trend, he's an icon, all of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Like everybody has their go-to Govinda dance song, and you think about it right now. While I'm just going to take this to Nikhil and say, when is that episode dropping? Can you give date?
All those questions are directed at me only.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to try another politically correct answer.
Again? Yeah, I mean, you can't confirm or deny, but please.
But it is one of the 8 episodes, let me put it that way. And it's going to be a really fun episode. I've enjoyed seeing the edit. They've done a fantastic job. You've just got a glimpse of what they have to say, but what you'll see in the main episode is even funnier. And also on that episode, as Twinkle was saying, outside of the fun and games, there are also some deeper topics that they touch, which is quite interesting to hear from both of them in their presence. So all in all, a very wholesome episode, and I think everyone will enjoy.
Not giving me the answer, no
The
problem.
show starts on
25th September,
25th.
yeah. Thank you so much. Mrinalini, okay, there's always this one question, right? People are always like, lekin alag kya hai? Lekin different kya hai? So here's my question to you. How different was your approach to Too Much, from other talk shows or reality formats?
There's no chemical formula, man. Ye Kajol, Twinkle are only too much and so different. Have you seen 2 other females hosting a chat show without killing each other? I haven't. And they were so good on the show. We've had such a roller coaster doing this, and we still have a few episodes to go.
Same things, and then sometimes we laugh, while we are
laugh
in
at
the
the
middle
same
of the
people
show,
also sometimes.
and the guests are staring at us because they think we're laughing at them, which we are sometimes.
Oh my
but
God.
we just start laughing. So I think we have an innate understanding. We find similar things funny. We find each other very funny. I'm her biggest cheerleader, and she's mine, I think.
Yeah, and what's nice about it, I think the crux is what she said and what Mrinalini said, is that we're not competing with each other, which is really nice to see. And that's something that, and it's really nice to experience, where you're not standing up there. There is genuinely, I mean, we're literally building each other up.
Yeah.
And that's wonderful to work with, So yeah, appreciate that.
Every day a lesson in feminism, ladies. Thank you so much for living your feminism. It's amazing. This is awesome. Of course, it's time to get more questions in, and you know how this works. Our friends from the media will direct questions to each of you. Please do grace them with an answer. You know how this works as well. If you have a question, raise your hand. There'll be a mic that'll come to you. And yes, the floor is open for questions from the media. Thank you.